Hello ladies and gentlemen, today with BK. Just a little video here. Anybody that has these 4th gens probably know what I'm talking about, but if you go to actually hit the rear, nothing moves. So you have to kind of lift it up and then see how it's not bringing it up. I have to kind of bring it up. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to remove these and put new ones in. They're the strong arm shocks, or I would say, look at what I got over here. This is the strong arm gas charge lift supports, and these are the ones for the convertible. I'll put the link in the description. As you can see, there's the part number there. So let's get started. It's going to be, I would say, a few clips here to get it open. Let me get some tools and we'll get this thing off. All it looks like we'll just get this out and pop it off. Do the same at the bottom. Stand by. Alright, so I think what we're going to do is try to do this in one hand so y'all can see it, and then we get this, it should pop off. This is kind of difficult with one hand. Well, let me get it with the other hand. Come on. There we go. Gotta do the same thing at the bottom. Let's see. I'm trying to make sure it doesn't. Make sure y'all can see here. So there we go. I think I can get it off. There we go. So that one's off too, and hopefully I didn't tear up my weather stripping. I didn't. That looks good. So I'm going to take that off. Put that down here. And get some trash out of here too, won't we? Let's see. I tell you, never ends with keeping these things clean, right? So, get the one out of the package here. Let me see if I can get some more different light in here. Maybe that'll help. So let's get this thing out of the package. This tool down. Trying to work with one hand here. So you can see it's exact copy. As you can see down here. Flip it around so y'all can see it. So I'm gonna pop the top on first. Should just pop on. There's one. Turn this thing around. There we go. Turn this thing. So let's get it in there. This is definitely hard to do with one hand. So, stand by, let me get it. So what I did is I took it back off the top, and I'm going to put the bottom in first. It just seems to go, there we go, the bottom's on there. Maybe we can get this top on there now. Put my head and see if we can't get this thing raised up a little higher. This thing does not want to cooperate. Alright, let me see if I can get two hands on it. So I'm sorry I didn't see it, but it took two hands. Basically, this threads in a little bit. All I did was thread it in a little more so it would line up here. But it looks good. Let's shut this and let's see how it does now. Oh yeah, it takes a lot more. So let's see if it'll pop up. I'll put his link in the description if I can find it. I found another gentleman on YouTube and he showed it, but let's see. Well, I didn't do it. But heck, it brings the door up real easy. So, but it didn't pop it up. Now, his was on a coupe and with the rear hatch glass. And so that might be a little different situation since all this is this fiberglass, top section. But anyway, that's putting those on. Wasn't too bad. By yourself it sucks trying to use a camera, but the strong arm, that's the shocks that I use. The link is in the description. Pretty fast shipping. Really, so far, I mean, let's drop it again. Let's see. What I'm trying to do is I'm gonna get this detailed and ceramic coated. I want to do a few of these things before I do it. The power steering pump is whining like all 4th gens, and so I'm gonna take it off and get it sent off, and that'll be in a separate video. But it unlocks, but you still have to. But the nice part is you can let go and it'll actually lift it real soft, as you can see. So not much of a video, but thanks for watching. If you please subscribe if you feel like it, you want to continue with videos and footage and basically anything and everything. But I'm focusing on the various things here so far that I want to get done. You know, summertime's coming. The bad boy will be out, and you know, I did tow. I didn't get to show anyone, but I did tow on the trailer. My brother's car, it had broke down, and so it towed perfect. Tied down really well, handled really well on the road. But once again, thank you so much for watching, and today with BK out.